Good Monday morning, everyone. Welcome back. We had a very active day yesterday with multiple rounds of strong storms rolling through the area. Today, starting off a little bit cloudy, but we do have some nicer weather on the way this week. Just at the moment, still kind of dreary out there. Temperatures, though, are in the 50s right now, 58 degrees in Helena, 54 in Great Falls. This is a little bit cooler than the temperatures were last week at this time. It was a little warmer last week. Today, starting off a little chilly, and we're going to stay relatively cool here through the middle of the week. Now you can see these multiple rounds of severe weather moving through the area yesterday. This is the radar from the last 24 hours. So you can see those bigger storm systems pushing through. As of this morning, of the last couple hours, there's still a bit of residual moisture, but it is notably much calmer than it was yesterday. There's still a little bit of a storm system kind of moving through the high line here, and we do have the chance of seeing a couple of pop-up thunderstorms or just some showers kind of moving through later on today, but it's not going to be anywhere near like it was yesterday. And that's because we had this low pressure system moving through yesterday. So you can see those rounds of thunderstorms just pushing through the area. Now, as of the beginning of this week, we have higher pressure building. So higher pressure means nicer weather. We don't have as much cloud cover. We have typically a little bit warmer weather with high pressure and calmer and drier weather here. So you can see this weak ridge of high pressure starting to build over the western United States and notably over Montana as well. And that's going to continue through the middle of the week here. But as that high pressure kind of sits over us, it's not extremely strong high pressure. So when this next disturbance moves through, that's going to push through later on this week, bringing us some more active weather. But that is kind of just parked over the Pacific Ocean right now. That will be strengthening throughout the week and then positioning itself to move into our area by later this week. So we are going to have some calmer weather here through the middle of the week, but later this week, more active weather coming our way. So you can see today, as that high pressure starts to build, we are going to have some stronger winds as this system starts to calm down. But we do have another day with a chance of scattered thunderstorms and showers. You can see those are very few and far between. Not everyone is going to see rainfall, but you could see some rainfall later on today through the evening hours. But as we head into the overnight hours, that wind starts to calm down and the clouds start to break. The chance of showers and thunderstorms moves out of here. So we're going to have a nicer day for Tuesday and for Wednesday as well. Still a couple of isolated showers kind of along the high line here, but the majority of north central Montana will stay dry for Tuesday and Wednesday. We have a slight break in the active weather before more weather comes our way starting Thursday through the end of the week. We do have that next disturbance coming through, which could bring some more showers and thunderstorms to our area. Now, I just want to highlight for today how little rainfall that most of north central Montana is going to see all the way through Wednesday morning. That's really going to stay concentrated along the high line and north of the Canadian border. So we're really not even going to see the worst of this today, but there is still a chance that you could see a couple of sprinkles out there for today, just so you're prepared for that. Temperatures today are going to be a little warmer than yesterday. I mentioned earlier that temperatures will be in the 70s again, still going to be kind of showery and gloomy along the high line, but areas a little bit further south of there may get a little bit more sunshine today, although there is still the chance of 1 or 2 sprinkles moving through. Temperatures a little warmer than yesterday though, and we'll be on a positive temperature trend here through the end of the week. Temperatures reaching into the 80s again. Still not super warm for this time of year, but it is going to be a little warmer than it was yesterday and certainly today as well. The chance for showers and thunderstorms comes our way again for Thursday, right in time for the end of the work week into the weekend, but we might get a break towards the end of the weekend into the beginning of next week.